Hi guys, Carly J here. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Make sure that you have clicked subscribe down below and go ahead and click the like button. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I love to interact with people on YouTube. Today we are going to discuss the UK eBay listing software from INFINii. From the left-hand menu, we can go ahead and click on eBay Lister, and this is an amazing feature. We have many of our members in the UK, so this is a really awesome tool for you guys. A lot of you from the UK actually list on eBay UK. Also, there are many of you that sell on eBay UK and eBay US. So as you'll notice, you have two buttons here, so you can actually go back and forth. Super simple. For example, if I wanted to list on eBay UK, I would just click on that button over there. Now what you will see is you'll notice that the green one is active. That means that I will be listing on the UK. The only thing that you have to do when you're switching marketplaces, whether it's the UK or US, is adjust your address information in the eBay settings page. And once you have done that, then the only thing you have to do is you can choose your store. So for the eBay UK, we have Amazon UK and we also have Ryman UK. Now we have numerous other UK suppliers coming in. We've been in the process of testing and we are going to be going live with them very soon. So for example, if I decided I wanted to use Amazon UK, and let me explain. You can use any of the UK suppliers that are in this list, which is again Ryman UK and Amazon UK, and what will happen is when you use the suppliers in the drop down, your items will be automatically added to the INFINii advanced tracking system, which is beyond anything I've ever seen. I may be a little biased, however, I do know how it works and how well everything is working, and it's just amazing. And you know, honestly, that's a whole other video. So for example, if we went on over here to Amazon UK and we found us a product to list, for example, let's just find something. We will go with, we'll just type in storage. For example, we can take the clean URL from up here. We can get rid of this, and we're going to take this URL and we can enter it into the product URL field. We also have several different templates that you can use that are eBay compliant, especially with the changes being coming from the spring seller update. eBay is already implementing a lot of that, and we have covered that in the training in Surge, so which is the second level. So once we have this information in here, I can just go ahead and click on listing, and here is where the magic happens. You'll notice that there's a warning that this particular item is sold by a third-party seller. Now it's up to you whether you want to allow this listing to happen or not, but we are letting you know that it is a third-party seller. We do have specific training on how to choose whether to have a third-party seller or only FBA or by Amazon. So let's find another item and we can click on Prime. For example, we could go with, say, this one here, and this one is sold by Amazon. So we can then do the same thing, and we can go back, click here, new eBay listing, and you'll see that we are still active on the UK side. Click on Amazon, paste, click listing. Okay, so now it has pulled the information from the supplier. Now what I want to do is, I'm not going to go through as far as building the title and all that, but you can enter keywords and the categories will show up. You'll be able to choose your category. You'll be able to add your profit goal. And there's different tabs here that we're going to fill in. For example, you can use different shipping and return policies, and you can even create your own by clicking on Create Return Policy here that you can use from there. You can actually choose the different shipping methods since you are in the UK. Product information, again, you can fill this information in. It's pulled the information from the supplier. And in the training, you'll also find out how to create a mobile responsive or mobile friendly listing that will actually help your sales increase. Once you have added all your information in, the only thing you would have to do is include some of your photos. Click a gallery image. And once you've done that, we can then go to the variation, and you'll see that there's two different variations here. Now it's important that when you want to add your profit goal, so if I added 15% here, went back to variation, and if we're going to choose the 2-drawer one, it's going to pull the price over. Once you've done that, you can either click next or go to sources, add your information in there. As far as the surge level, we do have a system that is like a autoresponder for your eBay customers when you have sold items. So you can choose a message that is sent to them. You can also make sure that your item is auto relisted, which is a choice, of course. And once you've completed all that information, the only thing you'll have to do is click on Submit Listing. That's how super simple it is to use our UK eBay listing software. You can also click on Preview and it'll show you basically everything that's going to be listed in there. One other thing that I did want to mention, if we went back to new eBay listing, for example, if I wanted to list on, if I was eligible to sell in the US, ebay.com, I can click on Switch to eBay US. And the only thing you'll have to do is update your address information in the eBay settings page, and then you will be actually listing on .com. So again, you basically got two listers right in front of you. And another really awesome benefit is we have what is called the custom listing feature. You can actually list your own items, for example, that you were shipping out yourself, or maybe a supplier that's not tracked in the INFINii advanced tracking system. This will actually allow you to create a custom listing. Now, a custom listing, you're still going to have to download your images. You're going to have to write your own description or, copy and paste from your supplier. But it's an amazing tool that our members are absolutely in love with. For more information about the UK eBay listing software from INFINii, click the link in the description, and I will see you on the inside.